Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a little Happy Mail unboxing. Thought I'd change the scenery and film it outside. It's so nice and sunny. This Happy Mail comes from Jennifer. Her channel's name is Old, New and Blue, and I won her 500 subby giveaway. Congratulations on hitting your milestone, Jennifer, and thank you for this prize. So if you're not familiar with her channel, make sure to check it out. She has some wonderful hauls, project shares, and de-stash videos. So let's have a look and see what she sent me. I see a thank you card right here on top. It says, "Hi Kara, thank you so much for participating in my giveaway. I do hope you enjoy everything. Stay safe, Jennifer." Thank you so much, Jennifer. So let's have a look. See, look at this beautiful vintage lace. Love that. Let me just unwrap it. Oh, I see a reusable bag underneath. Let me just pull that out and show you what that looks like. Let's have a read and see what it says. Oh, that's cute. Create, inspire, dream. What a wonderful bag. I love what it says too. Thank you. We also have a pair of these adorable wooden stamps that says love out loud and has that heart. That's going to be fun to use. Love that. Now let's open this up and have a closer look and see what she's included. So I love watching Jennifer's channel. She has shown some altered books and journals that she's made, and some wonderful project shares too of some of the journals and scrapbooking albums. But look at this bag. She's filled it up with some fun goodies, and I already see something looking vintage in here, so I'm gonna pull that out first. It is this right bias tape, and it's 4 yards. How cool is that? So definitely gonna add this to my projects. I also see some washi tape. How cute is that baby blue with the white speckled dots on top? That's really pretty. I love that. And we have, what is this? DT, and it's pink washi tape. That's really cute. I love the circles and the different shades of pink. And I have not seen this at my DT, this glue and residue eraser, so I'm so happy. Now I have it, thank you. I can use it for my collage book. Now if you have been a subby in my channel, you guys know I love birds, and this sticker set is so beautiful with these hummingbirds. That is so pretty. And I see more of these nice lace and twine that she's included. She's also included the Teresa Collins, and this is the World Traveler's Trim. And what a great bundle with different sizes and shades of colors. Here we have a Crafter's Square butterfly sticker set. I love the rust and green color and that corrugated paper underneath. That's really cool. And then we have some chalkboard labels, which are always fun to use when you're organizing or labeling your craft supplies. Some Crafter's Square tape, which is also fun to have, and this one comes in 3 different sizes, so that's so awesome. Now let's see what's in this yellow envelope. Oh yes, now I remember she did include some of these paper items, so I'm going to be using that envelope in my journal. Look at this layaway ticket. I love it. It's a nice big tag. We have an envelope, a music sheet. That's cute. It says tune in. Some vintage envelopes. And looks like we have some cardstock. More of the music sheet. Look at this, a vintage claim check. That looks really cool with the blue. More of these cut apart tabs for folder tab. Playing card. And then we have a tally sheet. How cute are these notebook pages? And then this one here says give or take card, and it says take 20. I wonder if it was for bidding or was it part of a game board. And this one says a receipt. We have another one of those little tickets. And how cute is this bear with her pink dress and an elephant? Oh, that's an adorable playing card. We have more of the cut-aparts from our folder tabs. And she's also included these large text cards. Now these are fun and sturdy and you can use for your junk journal cards, which I love to use. And we have one more here, but there is one more item and I was saving it for last. This was an additional item she threw in this already big price pack. And if you guys have been subbed to my channel for a while, you guys know that I love the Hawaiian Islands and flowers. Now this postcard set comes with a mini postcard. Look how cute that is, in a regular postcard on the opposite side. We have a variety of Hawaiian flowers like the birds of paradise. Beautiful images. There's the bougainvilleas, hibiscus flowers. Here's the plumeria that I love to see. And we have some orchids. Just beautiful images. What a beautiful postcard set. So Jennifer, thank you so much for this wonderful price pack. I'll put her link down below. Make sure to show her some crafty love and check out her channel. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.